Good morning. It's Tuesday, May 14th, 2024. This is your Georgia WeatherNet morning update. Fairly active morning in South Georgia. Let's talk about North Georgia first. Just some light showers and some mist. Metro Atlanta, northbound, middle Georgia. A little heavier rain moving through Macon and heading up toward Augusta right now. And then there are those thunderstorms in southeast Georgia. Started out as severe thunderstorms crossing in from the Panhandle over around Valdosta this morning. So we had a line of severe thunderstorm warnings. Finally started to fade out around Jessup, and now just looking at some fairly heavy rain, some embedded storms in there moving over Savannah right now, but we should be done with the severe weather risk with this particular batch. We do have some more strong thunderstorms moving our way, which we'll talk about. Temperatures checking in the low 60s in North Georgia. We have mid 60s, upper 60s in the mid-state, and still around 70 degrees from Douglas over to Alma, and 77 degrees in Brunswick this morning. Albany checking in at 72, so still very warm and humid. That's going to help those thunderstorms continue to develop through the day today, and if we see any sunshine, that'll warm up the atmosphere a little bit more. Level 2 out of 5 severe weather risk up in North Georgia, and that's going to be mainly later on tonight. We'll talk about that in the modeling, the rest of the state with that level 1 out of 5 severe weather risk and the lighter shade of yellow. And then for tomorrow, level 1 out of 5 severe weather risk for the CSRA, Augusta, and then up into South Carolina. Most of the state is under that green shade. That's to say general thunderstorm risk. Let's take a look at our modeling. And by the way, as we look ahead to Thursday, we don't even have a general thunderstorm risk. We're going to see mostly sunny skies across the state and stay relatively rain-free. So let's take a look at the modeling for today. Yeah, we still have those showers just kind of popping up here and there. Modeling showing a little heavier rain up in North Georgia than actually is occurring. So just those light showers will continue through the day today. Our thunderstorms in southeast Georgia track off into the Atlantic. No big deal. Again, a little bit of sunshine will poke out this afternoon. That'll warm us up, bringing a few more isolated thunderstorms. A few could be strong as we move through the state, move through the evening hours. Line of storms developing from Columbus to Augusta over Macon. That will start to fade out later this evening and just kind of go into nowhere. And then over the North Georgia mountains, some thunderstorms around midnight tonight. After midnight, this is where we could see a few strong to severe thunderstorms. Straight line winds will be our main factor late tonight. So just have a way to get those severe weather alerts if you're in North Georgia, especially over the mountains and Gainesville up to Toccoa, very, very late tonight into early tomorrow morning. Then we start out tomorrow morning. It'll be mostly cloudy across the state, a little foggy in spots, some thunderstorms down along the Florida line, but not anything to be overly concerned with. And we continue through tomorrow. We'll see those scattered showers, mainly in North Georgia, popping up over the mountains. And then those thunderstorms become a little more numerous by tomorrow evening, dropping in north to south as we head through tomorrow night. And again, we head into Thursday. We're going to see a little more sunshine. We'll be warm and humid, but we'll keep quite a bit of the moisture out of the upper and mid levels of the atmosphere, so we should stay relatively rain-free. So we'll watch and see if that actually pans out as we get a little bit closer. That's the latest from the Georgia WeatherNet. Now your local forecast from northwest Georgia to southeast Georgia.